Hi guys, I'm Craig Wharton. I'm the sales manager at Lathams Steel Doors. I am a part-time door whisperer and a full-time coffee enthusiast. I have been around at Lathams officially for around 7 years, but I have been loitering around Lathams for much longer than that, but usually because there's always been free bacon sandwiches. So before I started at Lathams, before I sold my soul to Lathams, I worked for a very well-known car rental company, learning the subtle art of selling insurance to customers who definitely didn't want it. And prior to that, I rocked the Marks and Spencer's name badge, and yeah, I still get flashbacks when I walk past the Percy Pig aisle now. When I officially started at Lathams, it was in the manufacturing department, so yeah, I'd be out stripping the doors, cutting, rebuilding, powder coating, some varying levels of success, you could say. Let's just say some doors didn't make my experimental phase. Eventually I found myself getting more involved in the hardware side of the business. What started as a straightforward role, picking, packing and shipping, quickly grew into something much bigger. Before I knew it, we were supplying thousands of locks, cylinders and all kinds of products. It's all expanded very quickly, and while it may have looked like there was a grand plan behind it, truthfully, it just evolved as it went along. So from there, I moved into the warehouse supervisor role, where the motto was, we haven't got any space, but yeah, seriously, we at no point had more than 3 square feet of free space. Tetra skills were essential, and forklifts were optional. I am known as that guy in the office who is a coffee enthusiast. The guys do try and trick me, supply me with decaf coffee, but yeah, I can smell lies, and yeah, we swap out for a full caffeinated coffee, and spreadsheets get done, things get conquered, and yeah, the doors sell themselves. Fun fact about me, I am a dad to 2 incredible little girls. I have a 3-year-old, nearly 3-year-old, and a 5-month-old who is a nighttime party animal who has allowed for us to have 0 sleep. So yeah, sleep is a distant memory. When I'm not juggling sales calls or toddler tantrums, you're not going to believe it, I enjoy washing cars. Now, I'm not talking about just a wash, I'm talking foam cannons, 3-bucket wash method, wax on, wax off, Mr. Miyagi, the lot.
Wax on, wax off.
Card detailing is my zen. Some people like to meditate, and I polish alloys. Come for the doors, stay for the people, and if anyone's passing, feel free to drop me a flat white. I'm Craig, this was my staff spotlight, and yeah, thanks for watching.